So basically, I made my website using Google Sites talking about national parks because that's my topic. So here I have the top 10 national parks, which will open up this second little bar thing right here. I got a video talking about the most visited national parks. And then I have little mini sections with every national park in the video and quick short descriptions of them. And if you click on the title, it'll send you to the national park website and it'll have all of the other detailed descriptions of the park. And then if you go back home, I have more information about the national parks, where I have the history of the National Park Service, which will take you also to the National Park Service website. And then I have a list of the National Park Service, which will also take you to the website. And then I have a quick Kahoot game you can play if you want. That is just a quick quiz about the national parks to kind of test what you've learned. And then here, little own section, I have ways to get involved with the national parks. I have how you can become a park ranger and steps you can take to go about that. And then I have leave no trace, which is just basically talking about how you should recycle and how you should throw trash away in the trash and pick up after other people if you see there's trash on the ground. And then here I have a little mini section talking about how you can volunteer with the national parks. So yeah, that's it. And my website's called nationalparks.ncastillo.